What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a spokesperson video, but don't worry, you will not have to be on video. We're gonna make money without you being on camera. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, or you're new to my video, or just new to my channel, what I do is I find ways to make money online, extra ways to make money online. These may not be ways to replace your job, but it will at least give you extra money. Okay, so like I said, today's video we're going to be making a spokesperson video, and you will not be on camera. I found a website where they have like actors templates, and you can type in anything you want and they'll say anything you want. Okay, so I'm going to show you that right now. But first, if you're, like I said, new here, or if you came back to my channel and you didn't subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button as well, and that will let us know that to upload more videos like this one. Leave a comment down below if I do anything wrong, or let me know if I do something wrong, and I will try to fix it and make my next video better. Okay, I don't have a camera, so right now I'm doing this by audio. Later on maybe I can get a camera and show you guys my beautiful face, but until then, we'll just do it by audio, and I'm doing screen record. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. So first, we're gonna go to a site called Synthesia.io. Synthesia.io. That's SYNTHESIA.io. This is a pretty cool site that I found. I'm trying to remember how I came across it. I think it was Neil Patel. Neil Patel showed it on his LinkedIn profile. Let me see. Unmute. It's supposed to be playing, but whatever. Say goodbye to cameras, microphones, and actors. Create professional AI videos from text in 50 different languages. Synthesia saves you money, time, and quite some nerves. But this video is supposed to be, get rid of this. This video is supposed to be playing, but it's not. Okay, so we're gonna test this out. Okay, I'm gonna show you what this is all about. So I'm gonna create a free AI video. You can do COVID-19 type video, compliance type video, sales pitch video. They already have text here, or you can change it out. Hello, my name is Mary. I am, I don't know, 32 years old. I'm sorry, I'm not saying that you're 32, but, okay, keep going. I love hiking, bike riding, and eating ice cream. Ice cream for dinner. I don't know. Okay. We're gonna hit submit video by hitting continue to get video via email. My name, my email. Right here about Synthesia, LinkedIn, United States. I'm not a robot. Generate free video. Avoiding your video rejected. Please make sure you adhere our content guidelines. You can click on that to see what the guidelines are. I'm pretty sure it's like no 4-letter languages or anything like that. No cussing words. Okay, no pornographic words. All right, so generate free video. You will receive your video via email shortly. Sometimes emails land in your spam folder. Please check it. Mark it not spam. What should you do next? Review your video. You receive your video in email, and you will receive an account creation invite. Okay, so let me see if it's in my email. I did this once before, so I'm not sure where they sending me another one. If I do have the old one in my email, I'll show you guys that one, or I can use another account that I have. We're reviewing your video. As soon as moderators approve your script, you will receive your video on email, usually 5 to 10 minutes. See you soon. Okay. So let me refresh right quick. Let me see. I did this before. Your AI video is ready. Let's try it. This is one I did before. I typed up something. I can't remember what I typed up. No. It's just easier. Okay, we're reviewing. Okay, for that one. This one. Okay, click here and watch. This is one I did before. September 12th. I tested it out. Then maybe they still have it. Maybe they do. Look at the quality. And this is a real person, but somehow they able to program her, or you'll see. Hold on.
This quick video will discuss how to get rid of dragon's breath. Remember to brush your teeth after each.
Let me pause it. I know you can hear it. Let me turn it back up. Come on. Come on, don't do this to me. Hit play.
This quick video will discuss how to get rid of dragon's breath. Remember to brush your teeth after each and every single meal. Bad breath can also occur when you wake up, so gargle some Listerine.
I do remember that. I typed in something about bad breath. But this is just a test I did about dragon's breath. 12 seconds. Not bad. You can try it again.
This quick video will discuss how to get rid of dragon's breath.
And it's almost matching up too.
Each and every single meal. Bad breath can also occur when you wake up, so gargle some Listerine.
So she can be your spokesperson, okay? There are a lot of people who's creating YouTube videos that needs a spokesperson for their videos. You can use this service, Synthesia, to make money with it, okay? You understand? So why are we doing that? Okay. Am I recording still? Yes, I am. All right. So what was I saying? Okay. You can use this service to get paid. Create spokesperson videos for people who has YouTube channels and they want to use a spokesperson in their video. Okay. Pricing is $30 a month for 10 video credits per month. So one video credit equals 1 minute video. Videos can be up to 10 minutes long. Okay. So if you make 10 video credits, one video credit is 1 minute of video is 1 video credit. So that's all you have to do, really. You can charge, let's say, $30 for 1 minute video for a spokesperson. I mean, that's a lot of words, you know what I mean? That 12-second I did had a couple words in it. Imagine a 1 minute video. Okay, $30 for 1 minute video. That's 10 videos. Was that 300? Where is my calculator? Right here. 30 times 10. Yeah, 300. I'm sorry. 300. How can I assist you? No, I'm good, thank you. Did I get the new video? Yes, I did. Look at the new video. All right. Click it and watch. Let's see how my new video looks. I can't remember what I typed either.
Hello, my name is
Oh,
Mary. I am 32 years old. I love hiking, bike riding, and eating ice cream for dinner.
nice. You see that? One more
Hello,
time.
my name is Mary. I am 32 years old. I love hiking, bike riding, and eating ice cream for dinner.
And mind you, she's not the only actor. They just using her as a test run for you. They got plenty of other actors. So what you do is go to Fiverr, open up a gig. I will leave a link in the description for you to get to Fiverr and make a gig for spokesperson video. Type in spokesperson. I'm going to show you how many, look at all these people. And I'm pretty sure we're going to come across someone who is using Synthesia. But look, $60. Okay, look at this person, $400. Let's see how much. Let's see. I mean, we see $60, but 50 words or less for $60. Okay, that's how much she's charging. You can do that. Charge $60 per video. 50 words or less. That's less than a minute, actually. Okay, go up here. 175 words. 200 words. Let me go to Google right quick and show you. Let me ask Google something. How many words are in a minute? I'm not sure what it know that, but 100 words is in 1 minute. Okay, good. Good. Let me go back to Fiverr and look what she's charging. 50 words for 1 minute. It's at $60. You see what I'm saying? In 6 days. You see the money you can be making off of this? Okay? Now, let's look at the new sellers, okay? New sellers. Let's see how much they charging. New sellers, $40. Look at this person. For a spokesperson video. For 25 words, $40. I mean, come on now. Yes, Synthesia is charging you $30, but you're going to make that money back. Okay? So, like I said, go to Synthesia, create an account. We'll just stop doing that. Create an account, create a studio account. You get $30. For $30, you get 10 video credits. Okay? Try that. And then open a gig on Fiverr and start charging people. Okay? Well, this person charged $5 up to 50 words. Not bad. But I mean, you can start with $5 if you want. You'll make $50. That's 10 videos. Okay, so you get 1 video credit per minute. Remember that, it's 1 video credit per minute in Synthesia. So you probably will have to use 1 video credit per minute per month, paid monthly. So you probably have to use at least 1 minute on every single video. So charge like $15, $30 or $10, whatever. You're gonna make your money back when you do 10 videos, okay? Then pay another $30. You're gonna make your money back again on Fiverr, okay? And we're looking at new sellers. Let me bring it back up to the new sellers. This is new sellers. Let me close these two up. New sellers are making money. Look at this guy, new, $25. He's charging 774 gigs at $5. She's charging $40 minimum and she already had 374 gigs, and they're all 5-star reviews. So, I mean, this will work for you. This is the easy way. It's legit. It's no BS. 100% legit. You'll make your money back. This is simple. You don't have to do or put yourself on video. However, if you do want to put yourself in video and not use Synthesia, I'll leave a link in the description the best camera recommended for YouTube. Okay. So you just buy yourself a camera or use a camera that you already have in your house somewhere, and yeah, be a spokesperson for someone. Okay, this is a really good opportunity, really good chance. It's all legit, and you make your money. Okay, on the side. Well, that's all the time I have for today's video. If you like today's video, if you find this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and you'll be stay updated for when we upload a new video on ways to how to make more money online. Okay, so subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and let us know how I did. Okay, until then, stay happy, stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.